Bride's whale. It has 3 ridges on its head. It feeds near the surface. It loves warm tropical seas. Gray whale. It is mottled and barnacle covered. It makes one of the longest whale migrations. It scoops food from muddy sea floors. North Atlantic right whale. It has rough patches called callosities. It floats often near the surface. It is one of the most endangered whales. Bowhead whale. It has a huge bow-shaped skull. It lives in icy Arctic waters. It can break thick sea ice to breathe. Spinner dolphin. It's slim and energetic. It spins high out of the water. It hunts at night with its pod. Risso's dolphin. It has a rounded head and many scars. It prefers deep offshore water. It loves to chase squid. Pacific white-sided dolphin. It's black-gray and white with a curved dorsal fin. It surfs boat waves. It travels in lively groups. Commerson's dolphin. It's small and black and white like a panda. It lives near cold southern coasts. It darts quickly in shallow bays. Irrawaddy dolphin. It has a round face and no beak. It lives in rivers and coastal seas. It uses gentle clicks to find fish. Vaquita. It's the smallest porpoise. It lives only in the Gulf of California. It is very rare and needs help. Giant Pacific octopus. It's huge with strong arms. It lives in cold, rocky coasts. It can open jars to get food, mimic octopus. It changes shape to copy other animals. It can look like a lionfish, flatfish, or sea snake. It's a trickster of the reef. Blanket octopus. It spreads a beautiful blanket of skin. Females are much bigger than males. It drifts through warm, open seas. Bobtail squid. It's tiny and round. It glows with help from friendly bacteria. It hides by burying in sand. Firefly squid. It lights up bright blue at night. It gathers in huge groups in spring. Its glow looks like stars in the sea. Glass octopus. It's nearly transparent. You can see its organs inside. It lives in the deep open ocean. Mantis shrimp. It has rainbow colors and mighty claws. It can punch faster than a bullet. It sees more colors than we do. Japanese spider crab. It has very long legs. It lives deep on rocky bottoms. It looks like a walking spider of the sea. Decorator crab. It sticks shells and seaweed on its body. It makes its own costume to hide. It creeps slowly along the reef. Giant isopod. It looks like a huge pill bug. It lives deep on the sea floor. It cleans up by eating dead animals. Copepod. It is tiny and clear. It drifts with plankton clouds. It feeds many fish and whales. Amphipod. It has a curved body and many legs. It hides in seaweed and sand. It hops quickly when disturbed. Sea spider. It has very long legs. It sucks juice from soft animals. It lives in cold and warm seas. Cobia. It is long and dark with a white belly. It follows big rays and sharks. It eats crabs and small fish. Amberjack. It is strong and silver. It speeds through open water. It hunts in schools around reefs. Bonito. It is sleek with stripes. It swims fast near the surface. It chases shiny bait fish. Sailfin tang. It has tall fins like sails. It grazes on algae all day. It loves coral reef gardens. Moorish idol. It has black, white, and yellow bands. It has a long ribbon fin. It pecks gently at sponges. White-tip reef shark. It has white tips on its fins. It rests in caves during the day. It hunts small fish at night. Garden eel. It looks like a thin noodle. It pokes up from sandy burrows. It sways in groups like a grassy field. Blue sea slug Glaucus atlanticus. It is tiny and blue like a sky drop. It floats upside down on the surface. It eats stinging jellies and steals their power. Sea angel. It is a clear winged snail. It flaps like a tiny angel. It lives in cold, open water. Lion's mane jellyfish. It has a giant bell and long, flowing tentacles. It lives in chilly seas. Its tentacles can trail like ribbons. Giant trevally. It is bold and silver. It chases prey into the air. It rules the reef like a boss. Little penguin, fairy penguin. It is the smallest penguin. It comes ashore after dark. It nests in burrows near the sea. Sea crate. It is a banded sea snake with a paddle tail. It breathes air but hunts underwater. It lays eggs on land and returns to the waves. Manta ray. Manta rays are huge and gentle. They swim with wide wings and eat tiny plankton. They look like ocean angels. Ocean sunfish. It's big and flat like a giant pancake. It floats near the surface to warm up. It can weigh as much as a car beluga sturgeon. It's an ancient fish with bony plates. It lives in deep rivers and seas. Its eggs are used for caviar. Cuttlefish. It's smart and can change color fast. It has a W-shaped pupil. It shoots ink when scared. Archerfish. It spits water to shoot bugs off leaves. It has amazing aim. It lives in mangroves and estuaries. Mud skipper. It can walk on land with its fins. It lives in muddy shores. It breathes through its skin. Sea snail. It has a spiral shell. It crawls slowly on rocks. Some make colorful shells we collect. Cone snail. It looks pretty with bright patterns. It hides in coral sand. But it's very poisonous to Wobbegong shark. It's flat and patterned like a rug. It lies still to ambush prey. It's called a carpet shark, dogfish shark. It's small and gray. It lives in cool seas. It hunts in schools at night. Cookie cutter shark. It bites round holes in big fish. It's small but brave. It glows in the dark. Arctic char. It's shiny and spotted. It lives in cold, icy waters. It can survive freezing temperatures. Salmon. It swims from the ocean back to rivers. It jumps up waterfalls to lay eggs. Bears love to eat it. Eel catfish. It looks like both an eel and a catfish. It hides in muddy bottoms. It uses whiskers to find food. Sand tiger shark. It looks scary but gentle. It swallows air to float. It glides slowly with a toothy grin. Zebra shark. It has stripes as a baby and spots as an adult. It rests on the sea floor. It's calm and friendly. Nurse shark. It's slow and sleepy. It rests in caves during the day. It sucks food with a strong mouth. Basking shark. It's giant but harmless. It swims with its mouth wide open. It eats tiny plankton. Greenland shark. It lives for hundreds of years. It moves very slowly in cold waters. It's one of the oldest animals. Sawfish. It has a long, saw-like nose. It swings it to catch prey. It lives near river mouths. Elephant seal. It's big and heavy. Males have a long nose like a trunk. It can dive deeper than most whales. Viperfish. It has long fangs that point up. It lives in the deep, dark sea. It flashes lights to lure prey. Hatchetfish. Its body is thin like a hatchet blade. It swims in deep waters. It glows to blend with moonlight. Dragonfish. It looks fierce with barbel lights. It lives far below sunlight. It uses glow bait to hunt. Oarfish. It's long like a silver ribbon. It lives in deep oceans. It sometimes rises to the surface after storms. Snipe eel. It has a very thin beak. It lives in open deep water. It snaps tiny shrimp in the dark. Gulper eel. It has a huge mouth and tiny body. It lives in the deep sea. It can swallow prey bigger than itself. Barreleye fish. It has a clear head with green eyes. It hovers above jellyfish and worms. Its eyes look upward through its glassy dome. Tripod fish. It stands on long, thin legs. It waits on the seafloor. It faces into currents for food. Fangtooth. It has giant teeth for its size. It lives in the deep. It looks scary, but stays small. Haddock. It has a dark shoulder spot. It lives in North Atlantic waters. It nibbles worms and small shellfish, Pacific halibut. It has both eyes on one side. It lives on sandy bottoms. It lies flat and waits quietly. Summer flounder. It has a camouflaged flat body. It lives in shallow coastal areas. It changes color to match sand. Dover sole. It has tiny scales and soft skin. It lives on gentle sea floors. It wiggles into mud to hide. Grouper. It has a thick, strong body. It lives near reefs and ledges. It opens a big mouth to suck prey. Red snapper. It has rosy scales and red eyes. It lives over reefs offshore. It hovers calmly above structures. Tarpon. It has large, shiny scales. It lives near warm coasts. It gulps air at the surface. Bonefish. It has a slender silver frame. It lives on sandy flats. It digs for worms with its mouth. Needlefish. It has a very long snout. It lives near the surface. It skims quickly over calm water. Half beak. It has a short top jaw. It lives along tropical shores. It nibbles floating plants and small crustaceans. Remora. It has a suction disc on head. It lives attached to big animals. It hitches rides to find food.